In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design compelling PowerPoint slides in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an important business presentation, a classroom lecture, or just looking to polish your design skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. This may seem straightforward, but it's the canvas where your ideas will take form. Simply find the PowerPoint icon on your computer and double-click to open it. Once the application boots up, you're greeted with the starting point of your creative journey. Now, on to opening your file. Upon launching PowerPoint, you'll find yourself on the opening screen. This is where recent documents and templates are displayed. If you're working on an existing presentation, this is the moment to navigate through your files and select the one you wish to design. Click on the desired file and it will open, ready for your artistic touch. The next step involves the Insert tab, which you'll find conveniently located at the top menu of PowerPoint. Clicking on Insert unfolds a world of possibilities. This is where the magic begins, as you have the power to add various elements to your slides. Let's explore what you can do here. Under the Insert menu, you have several options to choose from: images, shapes, charts, audio, and videos. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in enhancing the visual appeal and effectiveness of your presentation. For instance, adding relevant images can help convey your message more powerfully. Similarly, shapes can be used to create custom designs or highlight important areas. Charts are excellent for presenting data in a digestible format, while audio clips and videos can add a dynamic layer to your presentation, making it more engaging. When inserting any of these elements, simply click on the appropriate option. Select the file you wish to add and place it on your slide. Once you've added your content, it's time to make it all look cohesive and eye-catching. This brings us to our next step, navigating to the Design tab. Here you'll find an array of predefined design templates. These templates provide a professional look to your slides with minimal effort. The Design tab is a powerful tool that offers various themes and background styles. By exploring these options, you can quickly find a look that complements your presentation's mood and purpose. After selecting a template, you're not stuck with it as is. You have the creative freedom to edit and customize it further. Whether it's changing the color scheme, adjusting the fonts, or adding your brand's logo, these modifications can make a significant difference. To edit a template, simply click on the variant you like, and then use the customization options available within the Design tab. Experiment with different styles until you find the perfect match for your presentation. This step is crucial, as the right design can make your information more accessible, engaging, and memorable to your audience. Now let's take a quick moment to cover a few additional tips that can take your PowerPoint slides to the next level. Remember, less is often more. Try not to overcrowd your slides with too much text or too many images. Maintain a balance to ensure that each slide is easy to read and visually appealing. Another helpful tip is to be mindful of your color choices. Use contrasting colors for text and background to enhance readability. And finally, consistency is key. Keep your design elements uniform throughout the presentation to maintain a professional and cohesive look. There you have it, a straightforward guide to designing impactful PowerPoint slides in just 5 minutes. We started by opening PowerPoint and choosing our presentation file. We then delved into the Insert tab to add various elements like images, shapes, and videos. Following that, we explored the Design tab to select and customize a template that fits our presentation's theme. By following these steps and integrating the additional tips provided, you're well on your way to creating a visually engaging and polished presentation that's sure to captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has equipped you with the skills to enhance your next PowerPoint presentation creatively and efficiently. Happy designing!